Make money on Fiverr without any skills per month $50,000. Do you want to start making money online but you feel like you don't have any skills? What if I told you that you can earn real money on Fiverr without being a designer, writer, or coder? Yes, it's 100% possible, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make money on Fiverr with zero skills. So make sure you watch till the end because the last method might surprise you. 1. Understanding Fiverr. If you're new to the world of freelancing and online earning, Fiverr is one of the best platforms to begin your journey. Launched in 2010, Fiverr is a global online marketplace where people offer services which are called gigs. These gigs can start as low as $5 and go up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on the complexity and quality of the service. From graphic design and writing to voiceovers and virtual assistants, almost every type of service you can imagine is available on Fiverr. But here's the most exciting part. You don't need to be an expert or a professional to get started. Yes, you heard that right. Fiverr isn't just for highly skilled developers, designers, or writers. In fact, there are thousands of people earning money by offering simple services that don't require any advanced technical skills. So, how is this possible? Fiverr has evolved from a simple $5 gig platform into a place where people value speed, convenience, and creativity. Many businesses and individuals are ready to pay for tasks that save them time, even if those tasks are basic. For example, removing backgrounds from images, proofreading text, creating social media graphics using free tools, or even testing a website. These are things anyone can learn in a few minutes. What makes Fiverr unique is its user friendly interface and global reach. Whether you're in India, the US, Nigeria, or the Philippines, you can create an account for free and start offering your services to a global audience. Unlike traditional jobs, Fiverr gives you complete control over your pricing, the services you offer, and your schedule. Another great thing about Fiverr is that buyers are already searching for what they need. You don't need to go out and pitch to clients. If your gig is well presented with the right title, description, and keywords, clients can find you organically. This makes Fiverr one of the easiest platforms for beginners to make their first dollar online. And let's not forget the flexibility. Fiverr doesn't require you to work full time. You can take 1 or 2 gigs per week as a side hustle or scale it up into a full time income source once you start getting consistent orders and good reviews. In short, Fiverr is a golden opportunity, especially if you're starting from scratch. No degree, no problem. No experience, still okay. As long as you're willing to learn and deliver value, Fiverr gives you the chance to earn online with zero upfront investment too. What services can you offer with no skills? Now that you understand how Fiverr works, let's explore the exciting part. What services can you actually offer even if you have no skills? You might think that only designers, programmers, or writers can succeed on Fiverr, but the truth is, there are plenty of services that require little to no expertise. With the help of free tools and basic online platforms, even a complete beginner can start earning. Here are 7 high demand services that you can start offering on Fiverr today. Background removal, image editing. Many e-commerce sellers, photographers, and content creators need clean images without messy backgrounds. With free tools like remove.bg or even Canva, you can remove or replace backgrounds with just one click. You don't need to know Photoshop or any complex software. Upload the image, let the tool work its magic, and deliver the final result. That's all. 2. Canva templates and social media posts. Social media marketing is booming, and businesses constantly need fresh content. Using Canva's free templates, you can design Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, and even professional resumes. Just choose a template, drag and drop elements, customize the text, and save your design. You can deliver beautiful visuals without any formal graphic design training. 3. Spokesperson videos using AI. Not comfortable in front of the camera? No worries. Tools like Synthesia or Pictory let you create talking avatar videos using AI avatars and voiceovers. All you have to do is paste the client's script, choose a digital spokesperson, and download the video. These are popular for explainer videos, corporate messages, and even YouTube content. 4. Voiceovers with AI tools. There is a huge demand for voiceovers in marketing, animation, YouTube videos, and e-learning. If you're not a voice actor, you can still offer this service using AI voice generators like Murph.ai, 11 Labs, or Play.ht. These tools provide realistic human-like voices. Choose the right tone and style, generate the voiceover, and deliver it. 5. Website testing. This is one of the easiest gigs. You don't need any technical knowledge. Just visit a website and give your honest feedback about user experience, layout, speed, or navigation. Many developers and business owners pay for this because they want to hear a regular user's perspective before launching their site. 6. Product mockups. If someone is launching a t-shirt, book, mug, or mobile app, they'll need attractive mockups. Tools like Placeit.net let you create professional looking product images using simple templates. You just upload the client's logo or design and the platform places it on real life mockup photos. No designing required. 7. SEO. Reports or website audits. You can offer SEO analysis gigs using free tools like Ubersuggest, SEO Analyzer, or Neil Patel's website audit tools. These tools scan any website and generate a full report with technical and content suggestions. You don't need to analyze the data, just download and deliver the PDF or summary report. As you can see, you don't need to be a tech genius to start on Fiverr. With a little creativity, free tools, and willingness to learn, you can turn simple tasks into real income. 3. How to set up your Fiverr profile. So, you've decided to start earning on Fiverr, but how exactly do you begin? Setting up your Fiverr profile the right way is crucial because it's your first impression on potential buyers. Even if you have no experience, a clean professional profile can help you stand out. Here's a step by step guide to get started on Fiverr the smart way. 1. Sign up on Fiverr, it's free. Go to www.fiverr.com and click on join. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once you register, Fiverr will ask you to verify your email and complete your basic account information. 2. Create a clean profile. Your profile is like your digital resume. Profile picture. Use a clear, friendly photo of yourself. If you're shy or using AI tools, you can even use a clean, professional looking avatar. Description. Write a short, honest description about yourself. Mention what you offer and what tools you use. E.g., I help small businesses create stunning visuals using Canva and AI tools. Fast delivery and customer satisfaction guaranteed. Avoid spelling mistakes and keep it simple and direct. 3. Post your first gig. Now comes the fun part, creating your first service listing called a gig. Click on Become a Seller and start creating a gig. Fiverr will guide you through the steps. Gig title, make it clear and keyword rich. For example, I will remove image backgrounds professionally. I will create stunning social media posts using Canva. I will generate realistic AI voiceovers for your video. Category and tags. Choose the right category, e.g., graphics and design, social media design, and add tags like background removal, AI voiceover, Canva posts, etc. Description, briefly describe what the client will get. Be honest and focus on benefits like fast delivery, great communication, or free revisions. 4. Add samples, even mock projects. If you're new and don't have real clients yet, no problem. Create 2-3 samples yourself and upload them. For example, remove the background from a stock photo and save it as a sample. Create a few Instagram posts using Canva and upload them as demo work. Use AI tools to generate a short video or voiceover as a sample. Buyers want to see what you can do, so even mock work can help build trust. Start with low prices to build reviews. When you're just starting out, the goal should be to build credibility. Offer your gig at a low starting price like $5 or 10 to attract early buyers. Once you get a few positive reviews, you can gradually raise your prices. Fiverr is built on trust, and reviews matter a lot. Also, respond quickly to messages, deliver on time, and always be polite. These small things lead to 5-star ratings and repeat customers. And that's it. Your Fiverr profile is now ready to go live. From here, it's all about consistency, good service, and learning as you grow. Even without skills, you're now set to enter the freelancing world. 4. How to stand out. Once your Fiverr profile is live and your gigs are set up, the next big question is, how do you stand out among thousands of sellers? Don't worry, even as a beginner, there are smart tricks that can push your gig to the top. 1. Use SEO friendly gig titles and tags. Fiverr works like a search engine, so just like Google, using the right keywords can help your gig show up in search results. For example, instead of saying I will make a design, say I will create professional Instagram posts using Canva. Also, choose relevant tags such as Canva, social media design, Instagram post, etc. too. Write a benefit driven description. Don't just say what you do, explain how it helps the client. For example, get eye catching social media posts designed with Canva to grow your brand online, fast delivery, and unlimited revisions. This tells the client what they'll get and why they. 3. Offer quick delivery times. Buyers love fast turnaround. If others are offering 3-day delivery, try offering your service in 24 hours, especially for simple gigs like background removal or mock-ups. This builds trust and attracts rush orders. 4. Be responsive and professional. Always respond to buyer messages quickly, even if it's a simple thanks for reaching out. Fiverr tracks your response time, and being fast gives you higher visibility. Also, be polite, helpful, and clear. Great customer service often leads to repeat business. 5. Realistic expectations. Let's be honest, you won't become a millionaire overnight on Fiverr, but that doesn't mean it's not worth your time. In the beginning, you might only get 1 or 2 orders per week. That's completely normal. Don't get discouraged. Instead, focus on being consistent. Keep updating your gigs with better titles, descriptions, and samples. Try new gig ideas that match current trends like AI tools or viral content creation. Learn from feedback and always deliver your best work. If you stay patient and professional, you can realistically earn $100 to $500 per month within the first few months, even with no traditional skills. And once you build up your reviews and reputation, that number can grow significantly. Many sellers who started just like you are now making full time incomes on Fiverr, offering simple services powered by tools. So take that first step. Start small, stay smart, and keep improving. So, what are you waiting for? Pick any of these easy Fiverr gigs, set up your account, and start earning today, even with no experience or skills. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money making tips every week. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.